What's up, guys? I'm gonna draw BETSUMON today. I know what you're thinking. You wanna know who BETSUMON is? You see, BETSUMON is a Digimon that can disguise himself as anyone. If you must know, BETSUMON is one of the protagonists in Digimon Fusion Hunters. And here's another thing. He's dressed like Gatomon, but he could take on all sorts of amazing forms. He took on the form of Shoutmon, Omnimon, Angemon, Stingmon, Pandamon, and tried to pull up a girl's skirt, and it was really embarrassing. But I like that scene a lot. But here's something funny about him. Funny about him is his oddly shaped face and how it looks ridiculous. If you guys think if you see a Gatomon with a ridiculous looking face, don't try to fall for it. Believe me, he's ugly on the outside and the inside. Don't tell him I said that. Anyways, here's his tongue. Anyways, when drawing him, you need to draw his mouth. Here's his teeth. Okay, so here's his really big head. Wait, do you guys think I drew this thing a bit too big? Yeah, I think so too. Should I start over? Nah, I got this far. Can't give up now. Okay, so you see he has really big ears. There we go. There's his face. It's funny looking, doesn't it? Anyways, here's his arm here. You see he looks exactly like Gatomon, but he doesn't. So you must draw like Gatomon paws. Okay, here's his other paw. Okay, I'm almost done. First, you must draw his really big paw. Here's his next paw. There we go. We're almost done, folks. Okay, next thing you need to do is draw his belly button right here. I know it sounds stupid, but it's the way they design him. Thanks a lot, Toy Animation, for adding that ridiculous feature. Anyways, next up, finally, here's his tail down here. You need to draw his tail. And it has like a... There we go. There we go. That's how you draw BETSUMON. Look how stupid he is. Anyways, be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys like this video. So please leave a comment below and tell me what Pokemon or Digimon I should draw next. See you later.